that. It's just got to go slowly. Just sort of like, don't look down, don't do that. Oh, sorry. I'm okay. This is beautiful. It's really
She'll
beautiful.
go 1,000 miles an hour on a motorbike, but she's afraid of this. Oh, hello. Morning, everyone.
Morning. So we have just left our camp at Birkland, which is halfway between a place called Hull and a place called Hobbit. Probably pronouncing those both completely wrong. We're just about to go and pick up some fuel, and then we're going to head over to Vorringfossen, which is a place with some lovely waterfalls. Going to get coffee there, then head round, do a little bit of Odda, and then finally end at a wonderful little guest house, which the name I've completely forgotten again, but we'll pop a link in the description again, as I say, and also we'll probably do like a little review of it when we get there as well.
So this is the cabin that we were stayed in for the last 2 nights. It's quite cute, isn't it? I don't know if you can see it. And then, so this morning, our bikes are all packed. Just taking us like an hour.
Takes a long time to pack.
Faffery every morning. But hey, she's all ready. We've done, check the chain, lube the chain. Check the oil. Hannah's triumph.
Always need to check the oil.
And then, and maybe give it a clean at some point during this journey. Anyway, hope you all have a lovely day, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye! Oh yeah. Feel that warmth. How's my bags?
Sexy. Can you check mine?
Of course.
How's my bags?
And saggy.
Hi, baby. Go back in front, booblies. Oh, wait, I'm not going to put on mine. There you go. That's your whiskey. Okay. Little room up.
Huh?
Little room up.
She ain't no Triumph, man. She don't need warming up.
It does.
She's ready to go. We're ready to tackle another warm, sunny day. Woohoo! Look at this. How stunning is this? So we're beginning of July, and look at that snow up there. Look at these like cute little houses. Oh. To be fair, you didn't indicate, brother.
Yeah, you did. And also, the brake lights are very low. Oh, that's very good.
I'm assuming this is like a ski resort. We're at
Yeah.
Osit. Is that right?
Doing better than me.
Over there just looks
Oh.
mother ducking cold.
What's it say on your sat nav? Can you see that far?
No.
Maybe we'll go around to the left a bit.
Oh wait. No, we're going left. Thank baby Jesus.
Welcome back. This has been about 20 minutes. This is where we are now. That's good, isn't it?
So our first pullover of the day, where we started off super hot, and now we're in the mountains, and we had to pull over and put our waterproofs on.
Again in the rain.
Again in the rain.
Again in the rain.
Again, we're not moaning, we're just stating facts.
Hopefully we'll go down the fjords and it'll be nice and warm down there. Because I'm guessing right now we're just driving through clouds.
Yeah. You got sun, rain and snow. What more do you want, people? Oh, and don't forget the wind.
Oh yeah, don't forget the wind. We got it all! We got it all! You want a weather condition? Come to Norway. It'll get it all in one go. Oh, is he going to indicate to go in? Oh, we did,
Oh,
yeah, good.
hijo de puta.
Oh, they do that. We're in snow. Oh, there's snow in.
Did you just say come and go and play in the snow? All right, crack on. I'll meet you in Germany.
Just gonna shut up. Oh, mother of God, it's windy.
And look over there.
Norway! Ah! Really? Norway.
How are you feeling, Betsy? I'm alright. I'm alright. I just gotta go slowly. Just sort of like, don't look down, don't do that. Oh, sorry. Ah, I'm okay. I'm okay. This is beautiful. It's really
She'll
beautiful.
go 1,000 miles an hour on a motorbike, but she's afraid of this.
There's a lot of people that would be afraid of this. Can we just do like a little zoom over the edge? Should we just do that? I can't do that myself. Right. Just don't drop your phone. I can't do that. Yeah, you see? I can't do that.
Okay. So I've decided to put my helmet on because the camera's there, rather than tipping my phone over the edge, because that would be a little bit tragic if I lost my phone all the way down there. This is Hannah. This guy's flying his drone. And look, everyone. Yeah. Stunningly beautiful. And that road there is going to be on shortly, going back down. I don't know if you can see, there's like steps that goes all the way down there. I think they're halfway to building it, and then it stops over there. And then there's more walkways along there. What a beautiful place. Wow, nice. And we are Helgemmer. Is that Helgemmer?
I have no idea. Oh, keep me down.
Oh, look. God, look at all these waterfalls.
Right. Hey. Let's look at that camping site. Right on the
Oh, wow.
bottom of the...
Oh, next time can we camp here? My Lacton.
As long as you promise it's not going to rain.
Another tunnel, people, so I shall leave you here. Look at this, everyone. We have a roundabout. Oh, it's a beautiful roundabout too. Look at this.
I'm so looking at the roundabout, I don't actually know whether there's any traffic coming. It's madness!
That was rather special.
Forever, because otherwise we'll end up out at sea. So at some point we're going to have to go up and over. Right? I don't know about you, but I don't know. Have you spotted what's going on up there?
What, in the mountains?
Yeah.
With the rain?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe that by the time we had to jump over something, it'll be clear. We do have one pass to go over.
I don't know where we are at the moment, but look at this.
Oh my god, the larder! Oh, that was the coolest thing ever! I just like went away from the beautiful views just so that I could see the larder. Oh, there's a gear in there somewhere, sweetheart.
Oh, that water's so clear.
Wowzers. I bet we stop here because I just think I've just seen a massive spray of waterfall. And there's a toilet. Let's stop. Somewhere. Anywhere.
Oh, it's a bit busy, isn't it?
Oh no, it's alright, there's some bikers up here.
Oh, beautiful. I think we're at Latefoss or Latefoss.
I have no idea where we are.
Now Hannah's got her hair out and looks beautiful. This is where we're at, people. We're either at Latefoss or Latefoss. And look at this. Let me just switch you around. That's a good spot. Stunning, eh?
Yeah, very. Not as stunning as you though, Bubbles.
Stop it.
So we stopped at the last waterfall.
Yeah, no, last fjord. Oh, having said that, are we driving through a fjord? No, we're not driving through a fjord now. These are just mountains. And that is all. Goodbye, Norway. Maybe one day we'll come back, as long as you promise not to rain on us.